People ask one question whenever they want to start something new. They ask one question: is it difficult? Can they do it? Is it possible for them to complete it or become successful in something? This is the question. And they need to ask one question to themselves, that what is really easy in life? Everything is difficult. If your determination is weak, but if your determination is strong, nothing is difficult for you. When a child takes birth, even walking is difficult for that little kid. Speaking is very difficult for that little kid. But over the period of time, with practice, that kid becomes good in speaking and walking and other things also. It's all matter of time and determination and consistent practice. So whenever you are going to do something new, you will feel scared. Definitely you will feel scared, and it is not normal. If you are not feeling afraid, scared, then this is something you need to feel scared about. If you are feeling fear for the first time, it is totally okay. But if you are not feeling scared, then you should be scared of the fact that you are not feeling scared. So the most important thing you have to understand is, whenever you are going to do something, anxiety will come, and it is totally natural. Do not expect welcome. You need to be welcoming. You need to understand anxiety will definitely come and will fade also. First time whenever you are going to do something, it's the natural response of the brain to become very conscious, and the state of extreme consciousness is causing anxiety. So please don't be scared of anxiety. First time it will come, and it is totally natural, but in the second time it will not come. That's how it works. So, two things I want to tell you. Whenever you are going to do something, expect the anxiety, and it will fade also. Second thing is, if your determination is strong, everything will become easy for you. Every single thing. But if your determination is weak, you will feel difficult to get up from your bed also. So it is all the game of determination and consistency. Thank you.